So, hi guys, this is Ahud Prajapati. Very good morning to all of you, and thanks for joining me again at pre-market analysis. So, first of all, I'll talk about Bank Nifty first. Yet another volatile session for Bank Nifty. Specifically in the last 1 hour, we have seen 500 points rally. Plus, we have seen a strong breakout in Bank Nifty last Friday, and market actually was fighting between 35,000 to 34,500 specifically. So market has closed above 35,000. So it will be interesting to see, what is in there for market for next week specifically. Now, talking about Nifty specifically, we have seen a roller coaster ride specifically, and Nifty shows another gap up opening yesterday, and then marketed in approximately 100 points range. Now, Nifty has closed at 15,033.37. That's almost near to all-time high. Okay, just 100 points range. Now, talking about SGX today, that's interesting to see. In SGX, we've already touched the all-time high, that is 15,485. So that's many congratulations to everyone. Another milestone coming from the Nifty. So it will be interesting to see if Nifty will do this thing today. It's able to survive and sustain above these all-time high level, and we can see new fresh highs coming this coming month. Now let's talk about what Nifty can do to this particular week specifically. Talking from the OI analysis, first of all, so we have seen good build-up happening on 15,400 on the call side and 15,500. Talking on the downside, 15,300 has almost added. On the put side, we have almost added 11 lakh shares. So that's a good support level. If you talk about 15,200, 15,000 also, so every put option has added a huge, addition on this. So this could be providing a good support to the market. Now talking about the range specifically, again 15,500 to 15,200 for this particular expiry. Now it will be interesting to see if market break 15,500 in this coming expiry. Now shifting our focus to Bank Nifty, again that we were talking about 35,000 and 34,000. That's a good level. Now Nifty Bank Nifty has closed above 35,000. So interesting to see if market taking resistance at 35,500 and 36,000 on the upside precisely if we talk about, because range is quite a big for this particular month. Now talking about the rollover specifically, Nifty has seen almost 67% rollover. Bank Nifty almost 78%. So that's a good shift from the last expiry. Talking about on the stocks, specifically we have Ambuja Cement shows the highest rollover, then Sun TV, and then Page Industries. Navin Floor in SDFC and Tech Mahindra showed the lowest rollover last expiry to expiry. Now, talking about the expiry gainer specifically, the BHEL last month gained almost 55%, and then UPL 32%, Bank Baroda almost 25%. Now the top losers are Jindal Steel, which lost almost 13%, AU Bank 12%, and almost 11% with the bank. Now we're talking about the seasonality. If we talk about last 5 to 6 years in Nifty specifically on the May month, we have seen mostly Nifty's closing in a positive note. So yet another 5% approximately move this particular month. Now talking about the June specifically, we can see that in the last 6 years, market has mostly closing in between, it's range bound or probably on the negative side. Yes, last year we have seen almost 8% up. So I'll be happy to see market performing the same way. Now let's talk about this sectoral build-up as of now. So a lot of long build-up happening yesterday we have seen. So specifically banking stocks, leading the rally specifically, and short build-up also. No, yes, from last week to this week expiry, we have seen private banks' contribution to the index is the highest as of now, and then IT sector specifically. So I'm being bullish on these particular these two sectors. I am now talking about the stocks. As we have seen the highest rollover in Ambuja Cement, we have seen huge build-up happening in this particular stock, long build-up, and now talking about the OI analysis specifically. So 335 could be working as an immediate resistance, and on the upside, the stock can test 340 levels. Now that's a huge build-up happening on 340 specifically, so that's a major resistance. On the downside, we can talk about 320 could be working as a good support level for Ambuja Cement. Now, if market breaks 340, we can expect 350 to 360 levels also. We need to see if market able to sustain above these levels. Now, talking about another stock, we have seen a good rally coming up in the Wipro, and we have seen strong build-up happening in this particular stock also. So, talking from the OI side, 540, is a good support level as of now. Even though if we talk about a bit on the lower side, we can see 530 could be a good support level for Wipro. On the upside, 550 is a major resistance. If market breaks, we can see a good rally coming up in this particular stock also. So, keep a note of these levels specifically. Now, talking from the FIAs, so good buying side from the from FIAs in the future index specifically. Bit of neutral again on the stock futures. Okay, so no stock in the ban period as of now because it's first day on the expiry. Okay, so these are the key discussion we have done. So Nifty range could be 15,400 to 15,200. So max pain is somewhere around 15,300 as of now. So uh, we can see this level shifting. Bank Nifty specifically 35,500 on the upside, 34,500 on the lower side, and max pain is 35,000. So sectoral build-up specifically highest in banking, capital good, and media. Short build-up is specifically on oil, NBFC, and telecom. So stock we have discussed Ambuja Cement, so 340 to 320 level in this particular stock. Wipro 550 to 530 on this particular stock. So as of now, no stock in the ban list. So guys, that's all from our side. Thanks for tuning into the pre-market analysis. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a profitable day, guys. Thank you very much.